No, Dougie doesn't want to play Jingle Bells.
Show him how, Elijah. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Nope.
Shaker.
If only we had our shaker. Wait, there it is. Now we can shake and Jingle Bells around the Dig Dig. There you go.
In the kitchen.
Oh, Scooter doesn't want to come in the kitchen, baby. He's scared. I don't think you're convincing him.
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Did you just offer the dog ice cream,
The
Elijah?
strawberries.
Yeah, the strawberries are all gone.
Come in kitchen. Mine. My scooter.
Elijah, back up a little, baby. Maybe he'll come in. Come here, Scooter. There we go. Happy? He's in the kitchen now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bang, bang. Airplane.
Airplane?
Hey,
Huh?
give you.
What?
Give.
It does scare him. I don't think he likes it. Did you twist your ankle?
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Birdie.
A birdie?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Money.
All done?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, Mommy's going to take a break.
Mommy.